And Lourdes, the number of vaccines administered in Illinois also increasing a record amount. In fact, we're putting people's arms yesterday. WGN's Brona Tumulty live at Rush University Medical Center, which celebrated a milestone. Brona?
Good evening, guys. Yeah, you can probably see the balloons right behind me here. Those are marking the 100,000th vaccination for the Rush healthcare system. And we caught up a little while ago with the woman who got that milestone shot.
I am the 100,000th patient at Rush Hospital, and I am getting my second vaccine.
Lakeisha Rooks wasn't expecting to be the center of attention today.
I had absolutely no clue. I walked in and they said, "Do you want to be the 100,000th patient?" And I'm like, okay, like, what does that entail? But I just did it.
But her second Pfizer shot marked a milestone for the Rush University System for Health, with 100,000 vaccinations thus far.
I'm excited. I'm so excited to be finally done. I was very apprehensive at first, but I'm so excited that it's over.
And sleeves across the state were rolled up Thursday in record-breaking numbers, with 164,462 doses administered in a single day. But other statistics are shooting up too, like hospitalizations due to the virus.
We're currently seeing hospitalizations going up. It's very challenging. I worry about it. Honestly, I watch these numbers every day, so I'm hypersensitive to, what direction is the state going and what do we need to do next.
Today, the Department of Public Health also reporting more than 4,000 new and probable cases of coronavirus, which is the highest in months.
What we're trying to do is surge vaccine across the state where we see these positivity rates going up.
A change in the rules next week may help slow the spread. Come Monday, suburban Cook County will join the rest of the state in opening up vaccine eligibility to anyone over the age of 16, which may mean more Pfizer doses will get scooped up.
Obviously, if you only have one manufacturer that's providing for 16 and 17-year-olds, that means there's there are fewer doses that would be available if there were other manufacturers doing that. Though they are working at the FDA and at those companies to validate that these vaccinations would be effective for people who are under 18.
That eligibility window doesn't widen in the city, however, until the 19th of April. But Chicagoans 16 and over who don't want to wait can still travel out of the city or even to Gary, Indiana to get a vaccine if they, like Rooks, are eager to get back to a bit of normality.
We've been in this box for too long, and it's just time to just get the vaccine and be done. Science is proven with it, and I'm very confident that it'll work.
Now, in case there is any doubt about positivity going up, we took a look at the data just for Chicago, and the current positivity rate stands at 5.4%, which may not sound too bad, but it's actually almost double what the rate was compared to this time last month. We're live at Rush Medical Center. Brona Tumulty, WGN News.